Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup Jamie Oliver full guide. Start by chopping onions, carrots, celery, and potatoes into even pieces to ensure even cooking. Heat olive oil in a large pot and gently sweat the onions until soft, then add garlic and root vegetables. Stir in chopped tomatoes and stock, bring to a simmer, and cook until vegetables are tender and flavors meld together. Begin by sweating onions and garlic slowly to draw out natural sweetness and depth. Add chopped carrots, celery, and potatoes, stirring to coat with flavor before pouring in stock to cover. Let the soup simmer slowly so the vegetables become tender, and the broth concentrates into a rich, comforting base. Stir in fresh herbs like parsley or thyme, adjust salt and pepper, and add a splash of lemon to brighten the whole pot. If you want a creamier texture, blend half the soup and return it to the pot for a silky body while keeping some chunks. Consider adding cooked beans, red lentils, or pearl barley to make the soup more filling and nutritious. For meal prep, cool completely before refrigerating for up to 4 days or freezing in portions for up to 3 months, and reheat gently to preserve freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.